Hello, everyone. My name is Fergus Sweeney, and I'm one of the program co-chairs of this workshop. On behalf of my co-chair, Mark Lawler, and the program committee, we warmly welcome all participants to the upcoming CDDF workshop in November 2025 on enabling smarter clinical trials to optimize patient care. As a non-profit organisation registered in Belgium, CDDF and our collaborators share a mission to enhance cancer treatments and improve patient outcomes. This workshop will bring together academics, regulators, industry representatives, health technology assessment bodies, and patient advocates to discuss how smarter clinical trials and real-world evidence can be leveraged to deliver innovation and achieve better outcomes for cancer patients. Your participation is essential. Collaboration across stakeholders is key to driving meaningful innovation in cancer treatment. We look forward to your contributions and discussions throughout the workshop.
Hi, I'm Mark Lawler, Program Co-Chair for this workshop with Fergus, and newly appointed Chair President of the CDDF, which is the Cancer Drug Development Forum. We've designed our workshop program to provide a deep dive into how clinical trials and real-world evidence can be used to improve patient care. On day one, we will explore proportionate and pragmatic approaches in trial design, turning data into decisions and ensuring the patient perspective remains central. Highlights will include keynote talks, regulatory insights, fireside chats, and panel discussions with key experts in the field focusing on deploying health data in cancer clinical research. Day two will focus on translating real-world data into actionable outcomes, leveraging health data to drive research, and concluding with a wrap-up and key takeaway messages for advancing cancer clinical trials, with a particular emphasis on Europe. To get the most of this work from this workshop, we encourage you to engage actively in the discussions. Your perspectives are vital for shaping the future of clinical trials and patient care. A call to action and a series of recommendations will follow the workshop as to how best we can turn data into decisions to deliver optimal, research-driven, data-informed cancer care for our patients. See you in Brussels, either in person or online.